Sorry, I just started my video a bit late. The train was acting up earlier, as you guys have probably already noticed the announcement. Because well, the door here in the middle car was kept opening and closing and opening and closing and opening and closing numerous times. And then one of the guys ended up trying to slam the door. But anyways, we are now doing a second early back to school edition of riding the train to Terminal A. And yes, the train's also going a little bit slow, which is also why you noticed that announcement. I know about that. Because since 2016, I've been experiencing that announcement. Yeah, in 2016, that announcement would typically go off when the train goes too slow. Well, especially when the train's about to arrive at the Marriott Hotel after it leaves Terminal C. Well, the reason being is because of one of the turns. But yep, we're in train number 4. Okay, we are now arriving in Terminal C.
Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be the Marriott Hotel.
Yep. This is Terminal C over here. Right. Whoa. You guys have a good day. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay. Oh yeah, other people are getting on the train, so I'm gonna get the door. And again, it's gonna be pretty full, like a full house in here in this train. So yeah, now we're closing up. At least this is not gonna. At least the train's not acting like it was just earlier at Terminal D and E, where the door was acting up. Nope, because we're closed. We are already leaving. Yeah, it's a video documentary for my YouTube account. Yep, we're already closing up.
You get a lot of views?
Yeah, I do. And yep, now we're already leaving Terminal C. Yep, and I know I didn't get the part where the train was acting up on video, unfortunately, because that would have been pretty funny. But anyways, now we're going a little bit faster, I guess. Though I may be wrong, we may be going a little bit slow. But okay, we're probably gonna slow down up ahead because of one of the turns. Because the train usually slows down for the turns that are up ahead. Okay, and now we're at the Marriott Hotel. Jeez. Yep. It sure is a busy day here in the subway train. Hence, that's why the cars are crowded right now. Well, people are about to get on. Right, it's all good. You're welcome. You're welcome. Oh my gosh. And the door is just... Alright. And here we go. Alright, here we go now. I know, it's just a little bit of a slow start up. Primarily because it's a full house in the train. Yeah, just really hoping that the train doesn't end up stopping or anything. Yeah, because that would suck. I swear, just earlier we were going really, really slow. Like the train was literally almost about to stop. Okay, we're slowing down again now. Well, it's because of the turn that's right up ahead. We're coming up to another turn right here, and we're about to arrive in Terminal B. Yep.
I'll barely use it up here now. It be always like some hair or something just thinking.
Yep, now we're arriving at Terminal B right now, and our stop will be next. Huh. Not that many people here in Terminal B. Only 2 people about to board the train here in Terminal B. Alright. You guys have a great day. Oh geez, the door's about to... Alright.
Stand clear of the doorway.
And here we go.
When the doorway is clear, we will continue our trip.
Por favor, manténgase a una distancia segura de la
You on the phone?
Una vez la entrada está despejada, continuaremos nuestro viaje.
This how you get his viewers.
Yeah.
More stuff.
The other train is also leaving too.
Y'all be seeing people when they be like posting stuff on Instagram or something, they be having like YouTube.
Yep, and now we're about to...
Yeah, but
That's what they do. They do stuff like
Yep,
this.
we're going fast right now. That's pretty awesome. This is also why the subway train in the airport is so awesome and cool, because it's really fast. I mean, like, oh my gosh, we're going... Yeah, we are going super fast right now. And now we're about to come up to the old surface parking station. Whoa. And the music is always loud over here. It's been loud like that probably since 2016-ish. 2016, yeah. Because I remember it was like that in 2017 too, and 2018. Which that's pretty cool. I mean, that's my favorite part of the subway train. Okay, now we're about to arrive in Terminal A. We're about to approach one of the turns again.
So anything else?
Yeah.
You sure? Oh, no, you go too far. Oh, you go sure?
Yeah, I know we're going. Yep, we're coming up to one of these turns again.
What else is supposed to be? Talking, sitting
Whoa.
Oh my God. Alright. I have money, I know for sure I take my
Yep, here we are. Terminal A. I'm going to get up since we're getting off.
I ain't think about it. Well, I've been thinking about it, but I don't know where.
Your next stop will be Terminal
We was gonna go to Splash Town.
Se encuentra en
Oh,
la
and it's pretty
terminal
crowded over here too.
de la parada de Arroyo. Su
It sure is.
próxima parada
It's like a
terminal
really
de-
busy day here at the airport, literally. I mean, with no doubt about it. Alright, you guys go ahead. You're welcome. Okay. You're welcome. I know, but I got the door for you guys.
oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
When the doorway is clear, we will continue.
Okay.
Por favor, manténgase a una distancia
Thanks,
segura.
guy. You're welcome.
Una vez la entrada esté despejada, continuaremos
All right.
nuestro viaje.
All right, and now the train's closing up.
You are at
We're just gonna go
Terminal
straight
B.
upstairs
Hold on to the handrail.
for right now.
Your next stop will be Terminal B.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal A. Agarre la barranda de apoyo.
But now that, yep, there goes the train over there that we just rode. That's now leaving, and now we're going upstairs. And now that's it.